So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy stock options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to the bottom bar, select the magnifying glass. And once you're on this page right here, it's just the simplest way to select all categories. Then I want you to scroll down all the way to where it says O. And it's going to say options. Go ahead and select that. So once you're on the options page right here, you're going to be able to view all the stocks that offer options trading. So in my case, I will just go Canadian dollars, which isn't available here. So you can go ahead and select US dollars. And let's just say, for example, you wanted to buy options of American Airlines or whatever stock. I'll select American Airlines right here. Now once you're on this page right here, you can select a call option or a put option. You can also scroll and change the dates of the expiry. So if you wanted to buy a call option, for example, you can go ahead and buy a call option. You can then select whatever you think the price is going to be. If this looks good, go ahead and press next. So once you're here, it'll say ready to start trading options. You can go ahead and answer a few questions to get your options trading account set up. And then by going to the bottom, pressing start options, you can then proceed that way. So that is how you guys can buy stock options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.